Hello everyone, I'm Tolya from Wellmax. With over 38 years in the lighting industry, Wellmax has been a trusted partner to more than 200 overseas brands worldwide. At Wellmax, we don't just manufacture lights. Our brand mission is to empower you with light and warmth through lighting. Today, I'm excited to introduce our flagship product that many have been asking. A new member to the most popular Submarine Floodlight series, Submarine N130, a series that's already gained massive success and popularity. And now, with Submarine N130, we are taking it further. I'm going to tell you about its brand new upgrades that make it tougher, stronger, and the one product that you cannot miss. First, let's talk about the brightness and efficiency. Most floodlights on the market today deliver around 100 lumen per watt. Some may claim higher numbers, but in many cases, those are overstated or unverified. The Submarine N130, on the other hand, is lab tested to deliver a true 130 lumen per watt, and it's fully certified for E-class energy efficiency. What does that mean for you? That means it gives you more brightness, uses less power without the jump in your electricity bill. Now let's talk about the protection. We paid a lot of attention to the details because floodlights are often installed outdoors, where conditions are not always ideal. Rain, high humidity, wind, dust, all of these can cause serious problems for standard lights over time. That's exactly why we designed the Submarine N130 with a fully sealed 100% anti-siphon structure to stop water from creeping in through cables or connectors, even in the harshest conditions. And with its certified IP66 waterproof rating, it's built to stay sealed and keep working no matter the weather. Let's move on to durability. In outdoor environments, physical impact is a real challenge, from falling debris to unexpected contact. That's why the Submarine N130 is built with thickened glass and a reinforced body, rated IK08 for impact resistance. It's strong enough to handle knocks and heavy contact without damage, so the light sits on with no interruptions. Whether it's your backyard or a sensitive area, it stays stable and reliable, even at critical moments. On top of its toughness, we've also added a few smart touches that really make a difference. Take a look at this. 40-degree bracket, easy installation, makes installation quicker and more stable. Patented corrosion-resistant design, no rust even after years of set. Reinforced anti-deformation frame holds its shape over time, no bending, no warping. Tight cable layout, pack smaller, ship easier, save costs. It's built smart, built stronger, ready for real work. And to top it off, it comes with 3-year warranty. You just set it up and let it do the job. So what you need is a light that's more efficient, tougher, more protective, and made to handle real work. The Submarine N130 is exactly what you need. Want to know more? Reach out to our team or scan the QR code for more updates.